1969 Pontiac Firebird, the ultimate F-body, 1969. Fast, sleek, desirable, sexy. You know you want one. Everybody wanted one of these when they were brand new. I know I did. Should this classic be saved? Or should it be chopped up for parts? A lot of good parts in this car. We'll talk about it in the garage. Hi, this is Steve, and today in the garage we have a special edition about this 1969 Firebird. Should it be saved? Should it be junked? Should it be restored? Let's take a look. Let's look at the bad things first. First of all, it's had a little fire. Yes, this Firebird actually caught on fire. This bird's been roasted. The roof is warped. The interior dash area is just really baked. Top of the receipt's bad. It's missing all the gauges, missing a lot of pieces. It's going to be a bit of a challenge to restore this car. The good news is this car is very solid. Nice solid floors, doors still open and shut nicely. Front clip is there. The body is very straight, very solid, not a rusty car. It's a highly desirable car, and the other thing is that a lot of parts are available for these cars. So if you bought an off-brand car, something strange, like a, not strange, but hard to find parts for, like a Chrysler or something, you'd have some problems. But you can open up a catalog and buy everything for this. All the interior, you can buy the dash, you can buy engines. The other thing about this is that you can create your own 1969 Firebird. Perhaps when they were new, you wanted one. You wanted to buy one, but you were too young to buy one. Now you can create one from scratch. You can put your own factory options on this car. Put a 400 in it, 4-speed, whatever you want. You can build it your way. That's the advantage of starting with something like this. So what's the verdict? Save it, restore it, or walk away? So what's the verdict? Save it, walk away, restore it? I think this car should be restored for a lot of reasons. One, it's a really classic looking car. It's a desirable car. It'd be fun to restore. Parts are available. I think the car should be saved. But you may not. Let us know. So that's it for this week's edition of In the Garage with Steve Natale. Like, subscribe. See you again next week.